on 28th August and served yesterday. George Joroge, sworn on 28th and served yesterday. John Mark Githongo, sworn on 28th and served yesterday. Edgar Ouko, sworn 28th, served yesterday. Benson Wesonga, this was served yesterday. Yes, sworn 28th and served yesterday. Arnold Oshieng, 28th is the date of swearing, served yesterday. John Githongo, once again, 28th August, date of swearing and service yesterday. Those are the ones that prompted a fury of activity on our part to try and respond to them. I'm in the same position as Learned Counsel. We try to work very hard, but by the time again we try to file, the system did not allow us to file. So we have new matters which have been raised, which we have not responded to. May I apologize to my Lord, Supreme Court Judge, and thank you for reminding me yet again. I am sorry, the whisper was not meant for the court, but to Learned Counsel. Thank you.
My lady, the Chief Justice, you had asked a question about the specific affidavits. My learned senior, Fred Ngatia, senior counsel, has given the list of those affidavits. In fact, the ones that have been served on us are the ones from John Githongo, Arnold Ochieng, John Joroge, and Benson Wesonga. And my lady, I just wanted to mention that so that we are able to contextualize this affidavit, when we were served with the petition, we had a specific time within which to respond. We responded in time and served those responses. When the petitioners saw our responses, without the leave of the court, they filed further affidavits. Now, when those affidavits were served on us, we thought that perhaps instead of coming to us for leave, we do the pragmatic thing of responding to them, then we come and have them formally, we get directions from the court on how to deal with them. Because it would have meant that we would be making an application for leave today to file in further affidavits. It also then means that if we are to get to the four corners of the petition, then we must get back to the first date in time. After filing our responses, what came up? The new affidavits. How do we deal with them? That would be the question. I had given a proposal that because some of them seem to raise a number of important issues, and we have satisfactorily responded to those issues, we could deem all those affidavits as properly served, filed and served, so that then we forget about the side issues and go to the petition. More specifically, now that you have given us the issues that we need to be addressing you on. I am most obliged, my lady.
I'm sorry, this may be a back and forward, but there are directions which were issued by the court. This, I think, was on the 23rd of August 2022, and the directions required, if I don't go through all the directions, it required the respondents to file and serve their responses together with their written submissions and bundle of authorities on or before 5 p.m. on the 27th of August 2022. The petitioners then were directed to file and serve their rejoinder, if any, on the 28th of August 2022. So the affidavits they've been referring to, which were filed by the petitioners, were rejoinders to the affidavits that filed on the 27th of August 2022. So looked at in that context, we were quite in order to file those rejoinders in terms of affidavits yesterday, on the 28th, not yesterday, 28th. And I think there was a further directions that there would be a close of pleadings on the 28th of August 2022. So that is the context in which I brought the question of the late filing of these of the affidavits I enumerated. As to the infrastructure of the court, we were in a similar position, but when we made inquiries with the registrar, we were told that if we had any problems with filing any documents online, then you could physically take the documents to the registry, and that's what we did. And there were absolutely no problem about it. In fact, because of those particular problems, in cases where we were required to file by 5 p.m., I think on inquiry we were told we could file the documents same day, but on or before 9 p.m. So I think the registry was quite helpful, and anybody who wanted to file a document within time, there were absolutely no problem at all insofar as the registry is concerned. But probably the court should look at all these documents, put them in context, and then make a decision. But our position is that the affidavits that I mentioned were filed out of time and without leave of court. We would need a demonstration that what we filed on the 28th was not in line with the directions that were given.